Hello, my dears. Welcome to Riri Family. Today, I am going to teach you how to draw a perfect eyelashes. Now, you have to take a 6B pencil as I am showing in the video. Likewise, as a tick mark, you have to draw the lashes as a tick mark. You should draw with the even spacing in between one and the other. Now, repeat the same throughout the eye. As a reverse tick, in the midst we have to draw the same pattern. We have to repeat by using crisscross. The same pattern from the inner eyelid. We have to draw a tick shape lashes like our teachers give a tick mark. Here we have to use a smaller one, and then for lower eyelids we have to draw from the inner part as a comma. We have to draw from the inner lid. Here I am making 3 dots. From there I am drawing commas. Likewise you have to do for every The only trick here I am using is for the upper eyelids, eyelashes. Always we have to maintain a even spacing, whether they may be upper or lower eyelashes. For upper eyelashes we have to give lashes a tick impression. The same tick impression we have to maintain till the eyelid mids, and then for the upper eyelid at the left side we have to do a mirror reflection of tick so that all the lashes will come in a right way. For the lower eyelids we have to do the same, but here we have to use commas. In the lower right we have to use commas with the even spacing. In the left lower eyelid we have to use a mirror reflection of comma, and then we have to darken the darker places even darker. We have to make darker by using a darker pencil. We have to give shadings, we have to draw multiple times, we have to shade again. For the lower eyelashes we have to give some shading effect in between the lashes from the left to the right, as I am showing in the video. You have to do a mild shading effect in between the lower eyelashes. Again we have to make even darker. The darker the eyelashes, the prettiest they would be. We have to extend down the lashes and we have to darken them. Now here I will attach the horizontal mirror reflection of upper eyelid using a tick mark method, and for the lower eyelid using a comma method, horizontal mirror reflection of eyelids I will attach here so that it will be easier to understand. So here I am showing to shade the upper eyelid, and inside that white part we have to make sure to show little lashes, and then we have to shade like I am showing in the video, mild shade inside the eye is very much important. And then we have to repeat the same process with the pencil. We have to darken again. As we do it number of times, the whole eye will turn into a bolder one. We have to repeat the same process again and again. And then now here I am blending all the darken areas using an earbud. So now I will use a white gel pen If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Follow for more videos. Keep supporting us.
Thank you for
Bye-bye.
watching.